How AI keep the exact gold color, rose vs yellow, gold, retouching, or any other color preservation. Let's say we have a ring like this. It's photographed relatively bad, but the worst thing here is the white balance. It's a wrong white balance, and AI won't be able to understand exact what color of the metal. Is it yellow gold? Is it 18K yellow gold, or is it 14K yellow gold? It's hard to tell. So this is why we have custom color settings to address these issues like this. Let's select rescue, high, standard quality, and here are colors. Up to 3 colors can be selected. Let's select color and make it 18 karat yellow gold. That's it, nothing more, just generate. We have our correct color, and if in case we need to change color, we can select, let's say, silver. Let's make it either silver or white gold. And as you can see, it crop relatively tight, so it's good idea to add framing crop control and let's say solid color background. So I need to make sure that it will be always at least 20% around the ring. Let's do it in our ring in white gold and with correct padding. Another case when you may need to control color when you have really bad quality photo. Let's have this photo. This is iPhone shot, and there is quite strange white balance. You can see it's changes across the background. Also, it has some colored reflection on the ring, so it's hard to tell the exact color of the metal. Let's select it to be white gold and do our retouching. Here we go. We have our ring in a beautiful quality on white background, completely white background, and with selected color. If you turn it into yellow, into gold, it will be gold. Here is how you can control exact metal color with NeuroViz Retoucher.